So Haste makes waste. Last time I was looking at this situation, I had the meters hooked up wrong. I had them both in parallel. Didn't initially, but I firmed my connections up, and when I did that, I somehow wasn't thinking to put them both in parallel. Of course, the amp meter has to be in series. So now that I'm right, I'm getting 2.2 amps or 2,200 milliamps, 37 volts. So I'd say this is actually more or less doing its job, this LED power supply. Maybe I will trust it with another, it's kind of kind of a shoot either way. If I could get good ones at a reasonable cost readily, I'd go ahead and switch it out anyway. But since I'm having trouble finding them and getting them, all I see is the real cheap generic ones. I bought a Meanswell one, or I tried to buy a Meanswell one from some supplier, but he just sent me a bunch of things wanting me to order the generic one. Never did come through with the Meanswell. At any rate, this guy looks like she's working. I may try to reuse it. Just throw a chip in here. But I wanted to clear that up while I had it on the bench still before I throw it away and stack it in the corner somewhere. See if I forget a chip. I've got a bunch of 50 watters stacked up as well, ready for parts, but it's all whether or not it's worth it at this point.